Are you looking to download and install the latest version of AutoCAD, which is AutoCAD 2025 in your Macintosh? Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you're watching Engineering Preetham. In this video, we will talk about how one can download and install the latest version of AutoCAD, which is AutoCAD 2025 in their Macintosh. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here you can see I already have opened AutoCAD parent website, which is autodesk.com. So simply what we need to do here is we need to type autodesk.com and then hit enter. After you have opened Autodesk website, all we need to do here is we need to click here on sign in. And in case if you already have Autodesk account, then you are good to go. Or else you can click here on create account to get started. So here you need to follow step-by-step procedure, which I would say is pretty straightforward process. In case you are a student, then you can also avail a 1 or 2 years of free subscription from Autodesk. Okay, so after you successfully register yourself in Autodesk, all we need to do here is we need to sign in. So let me click here on sign in. And here now I need to provide the same email address with whom we got registered in Autodesk website. So let me quickly type here my email address. And after that, let's click on next. Now I need to enter my password here. And then again, you can also check this option which says stay signed in. After signing up here, you can see we are again redirected back to the same Autodesk page. Now here we can go to product, and then let's say if you are using it for commercial purpose, you can click on AutoCAD. And then from here you can basically buy AutoCAD based on your requirement. Since here I'm gonna utilize it as a student, so in that scenario what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click here on support, and then I'm gonna say educational support. Now here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to educational products, and there we go. Here we can see all these products are available for students or even for teacher, and one can actually see here what is the minimum age requirement, eligibility, and other important parameter. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go here and look for AutoCAD for Macintosh, and here let's click on select. So based on who you are, you can choose. If you are a student, you can click here. If you are an educator, you can actually invite entire class with a limit of 250 numbers of people. Now let's click here on access product. And now when I click here on download, here we can see the process of download has begun. Okay, after we have successfully completed our download, let's click here on open. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this DMZ. And here we go. Now click on this install AutoCAD 2025 for Mac. Now again we need to click on open, and then here we need to allow access. Now here you can see the setup is running, and we need to enter our password. Agree to terms and condition. Let's click next, and then here you need to choose your storage. And there we go. Now we can see finally the AutoCAD 2025 for Mac installation has begun. And finally here we can see we have successfully installed AutoCAD for Mac 2025. Now let me click here on start. And there we go. Here we have option to migrate from our previous version. If in case you are installing it for the first time, you will not see this. And then it will say that migration completed. And finally here you can see we have successfully installed AutoCAD 2025 for Mac in our system. Now one can get started by clicking here on start, and generally somebody who want to start from scratch, generally they choose acad.dwt as starting template. Let's click open, and there we go guys. Finally we have successfully installed AutoCAD 2025 in our Macintosh. And I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Preetham to follow more such tips and tricks, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.